Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, the 10th of September. Let's look at euro dollar now, where the euro has started to tick higher. There were some comments from ECB members reported in the press that they were confident over the eurozone economy development, and subsequently the euro found a bit of support against the dollar, and interestingly now has ticked up around this uptrend, this key uptrend that got intraday breached. And I suppose if this support does hold, I can turn this uptrend solid again, but it seems as though that the support also held at 1753. Now that is the really important level. 1753 was the reaction low we saw back in August. Let's say 1750, big figure really, and that essentially held yesterday and has pushed on a little bit further this morning. We're coming ahead of the ECB, and it seems as though the market is just consolidating a little bit of euro positivity ahead of that ECB decision. Is this going to be an event where the ECB just doesn't really live up to what the market is expecting, really, because the market is anticipating the ECB to be fairly dovish, I think, today, given the moves from the Federal Reserve, and also given the strength of the euro, given the fact that inflation fell so decisively last month. It's expecting a dovish move from the ECB. Will that be the case? The ECB tends to try and get ahead of the curve, but yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the euro responds here, because euro ticking high would suggest that maybe the market's not, maybe it's not especially confident that the ECB will deliver that dovish move. But how this chart reacts, I think, with volatility really in the wake of the ECB this afternoon, it could be quite different tomorrow. Holding above 1750, I think, is important initially as a support. 1695 is the key support. If you break that on a closing basis, you really are turning corrective. So if you hold where we are, then push above 1880. 1865 is a level on the hourly chart, but essentially 1880 sort of reaction, old reaction levels as well. So resistance band there. If you can break above that, then you really sort of do push towards the 120s again. And that would be the interesting level to see what happens to the euro. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trading Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.